Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram messages on iPhone. So if you want to delete your Instagram messages on your phone, this is how you can get it done. First you have to do is open up your Instagram account, then you tap on the message icon. Then from here you tap on the message you wish to delete. So I'm just going to tap on this particular person. Let me see. Alright, I'm going to tap on this particular person. So I want to delete this message. So I can delete this message in two ways. The first thing I can do is just hold and click on this message. Now click on this messages, then it will bring the delete for you and unsend. If I end up click on this option which is delete for you, it will only delete the message for me personally, and on the other edge the person will still have the message. But if I tap on unsend, it will both erase the message for the other person and I. And also if you want to also delete the message, you don't want to use this method, you can slide to the left, then you tap on this three dot icon from here. Then you can now delete, you can also delete all the chat. So that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.